today we'll be looking at software and how to change the card from without image and with image. So you can see in earlier videos you had cards with the names, cards with photos and name. So if we look at now, you can see there is no images in this card. So this will be more easier for some people and some shops, and others will be required to use the image. So we have added multiple options in this, so we can just change with the toggle button. We can just change case. How to check on that? For that, first you have to go to actions. You can see in the you have to log in as manager first of all. Then you can see in the right there is a button called actions. You go to actions, and if you go to settings, you can see there is a button called preference in here. So if we do preference, you can see there are multiple options in here. This is one of those options: hide image and hide items and images. So let's just check how does it work. So if we off this, you can see the images automatically coming in here. So these images are all we have to add manually. For the adding images, if we go to actions, management, you can see the images here. So if some items are not having images, you see there are some items without images. For adding that, we have to just click on the edit button, and you can see the edit product option. Or at the time of go down, you can see there is a product image option. You can add image from here. Or at the time of we are adding a new item, add item button, you can see in the main management there is a add menu, add item option. You click here, you can add the option item at the when you are adding an image. So both are possible, and you can see that how it works. So that is how we add the images to a product. Let's see what all other preferences are available in the software. So that we want to go to settings, you can go to preferences. You can see there are 4, 5, 6 columns. So if you click on 5, you can see the columns as incremented. You can see there are 5 items. So this will be more convenient for some users. So based on your screen and requirement, you can just change the sizes of the cards. 6 is also possible. So in one row there will be 6 items. You can see in the background, you see 6 items here. Names will get cut off for some items. So we have to change that according to your screen sizes. Just keep it as 4 columns for now. This is a standard screen size we have set. So when you install it, will automatically come in 4 size. So we'll check other preferences. We'll again go to settings and go to preferences. You have seen the first 2 preferences. We'll go to the next one, that is dashboard font size. So this reading text will be not easy for everyone. So we'll have implemented this new preferences called dashboard font. So ये हम ये click करेगा, so इसका font will become very large. You can see font is bigger. So this will get cut in some screens. So based on your screen size, you have to adjust that too. And settings you go and based on your screen size, you can, if you want to small font, you can do that also. I think 16 is the perfect one for this screen, so here set it at 16 for now. Also we'll see the next font size, that is text. So here one text and insert, so you can make it more bold and all boldness of the font. So every bold fontness will be changed to, you can see it's too bold. So based on your shop's requirement, you can change all that. Again we are setting it to 14. This is a perfect one. I don't know what was a resetted one. Let me check. think the font size was 16 and boldness was 14, I think. Now this is regular giant. This is another one I'll show you later. This was the bold one which we were doing. Okay, I put it medium, so it's back to normal. So you can see in here there is a total payable amount. We need some users want that very big. So if you go to action settings and preferences and change its size to 20, you see, or 28. So it's very large. So that is it for that. Next one what will look is put back that as 16. Yeah. Next one we'll check is bill discount input. So this is let's see what is bill discount input. So this is used by most of the restaurants actually. So they will be giving a discount on bills, but some restaurant will not be required this input. So you can see it's changing there. We'll see what is that. You can see there is an input. So if you want to add an item in the bill, so you can see the total is 630 rupees. So you want to add a discount to the bill. So let's say I want to give a 10 rupee discount. So if you add 10, you can see this is minus from here and payable 20. So bill will be paid for 620. Sometimes let's say let's just cancel this bill. So sometime a person buy some rice and some side dish he has ordered. So but it will not be possible for you to bill it, like maybe some miscellaneous charge you want to add to the bill. So what we'll do is we'll click on this discount again. So you can see increase the price is there. So if you click here, if you add 10 rupees, you can see the price is increased. So based on the bill it will automatically get built up. So this is also a good preference we have added into the software. Let's see what is the next one. So we can see some toggle buttons here. I think we have already shown this in earlier videos. You can see if we have click billing, download, KOT, hold, pin. So all these buttons will not be required for all restaurants. So if restaurant is only doing download bill, they will not be using any kind of printers. So they just want to keep the bills in their computer. So in that situation they can just download the bill and keep it. So for that what we have to do is go to actions, preference, and you can see only they are not printing, so you close the print button. You can see print button is removed. This button has become very large now. Quick billing also is not required. KOT if they want to do, we can do, but I'll show you how it is done actually. We'll keep the KOT for now. Hold is also required. We'll keep it done. So let's say KOT. If they click on KOT, its settings need to be changed in printer settings actually. So if you want to print the KOT, just have to on the KOT. If they off, what will happen is if the kitchen, if there is a computer in the kitchen, if and one computer is for seeing the KDS, what is the order, the chef can go. So if you can close this and just save it, so what will happen is this order will not be printing. It will be showing printing. This is actually error. I'll fix that. But it will be going to the KDS system. We have a KDS system. I'll just show you how it looks, so you don't have to look. I've already shown this in earlier videos. You can create your own KOT. So you can see this is the KOT screen I have created actually. Put in light mode. I think that will be more easier to. So if order comes, it will be in last. You can see this has come only 45 seconds ago. So the screen, if you set in your kitchen, you don't need a KOT billing tool printer, so it will be easy. There will be no paper wastage, or just screen is computer is required. You can run it in your kitchen. It is also, this will not take, can work with your if you have a Wi-Fi connection, or if you simply have a Wi-Fi connection but you don't need internet actually. If you just connect it and or restart the PC, it will automatically. The only thing is that both computer be in same network of Wi-Fi. If internet is also not there, also it will work. I have already shown this KDS. I'll show this as a separate video once more. Okay, I closed it. Just restart it for now. See this. Okay, so next one is download, build, download. So you have a download button here. So if you click on download, you can match like where you want to save the file. So here in my downloads folder it is saving. So you can change the select folder and change to standard. If you click to reset to default, your entire preference will change to reset. Let me just click it. Okay, that was my default, but I don't want it like this actually. You just change it. Set really 6. Yeah, all other are okay for me. This was my screen's best view. Since that is preferences, we have all seen there are different preferences like for printing also. If you go to printer settings, you can see I've shown you once. So if you have a bill printer, so your main printer will be this. So bill will be printed. So you can select from here your printer. So you can select which type of printer it is, if it is auto cutting or manual. Also number of copies. Some restaurants will be requiring multiple copies sent. So they'll keep one, they will give to customer. So if you click on 2, if you click one time, 2 bill will print. It's a good feature. Or if you want to enable printing this, so if you want to enable printing in this printer, you have to on this. Also next is KOT as I shown. If you don't want to print the KOT or print the KOT, just close it. Here also multiple copies possible. Delivery agent bill also possible. So if you want to make extra print with the address of the customer, you can add on this. So you have to on this for it to print. Or sort of it is like changing this left and right of the bill. Some printers will print it to left side, so you have to just move to right side. It's settings for printer. It will automatically work if you have your original printer's drivers. It's an extra feature I have added. Also, this is my mobile app routing. We have our own KOT and Captain app. So if you want to connect your Captain app and bill print in from mobile station, so if you print the bill from your mobile, connect a mobile to their computer and just on this, and if you click on the mobile app, you can directly print. I'll show you that in later videos. KOT also is possible. So if you want this, only this will print, otherwise it will not get printed. Then which is that other preferences, I think you have already seen the bill styling. Multiple different styles I have shown. So I'll show you in the next video each designs I'll show. So that is only for today's video. So thank you for watching.